Hi, welcome back to the Perl 2010 basic tutorial. Now we're going to have a look at editing your memories. So, if we play back this record by pitch memory I made, say I want to edit this now. When I push this fader up, it puts nothing into the programmer. All it does is play it back. So if I now try to make any changes and save it, the desk wouldn't see anything apart from the changes I'd made. So I need to load the memory back into the programmer. To do this, I use the include function. So when I hit include, it will then ask me what I want to put back into the programmer. So for the minute, I'm going to say I want to load the contents of this queue into it. So to do that, I press the button. Now this has gone back into the program on the desk. So all I do now is make my changes. So say I want to make these two fixtures in the queue a different colour. All I do is select them, change the colour of them. If I'm happy with that, I can then go back to memory queue here, select it. I'm going to leave it on channel mode, so it just merges the channels that I've changed with it. If I hit the swap, it'll give me a warning that something's already been saved here. What I'm going to do is do merge. So this will take the channels that I've changed and put it back into the memory. Replace memory means you can overwrite the whole thing. So effectively replace what's in the queue. So if I choose merge, that has merged the memory into what was previously there. So now when I clear the programmer and play the queue back, I can see it saved the changes that I've made. Very simple. Now we're going to have a look at editing our chases. So once we've built one, have a look at that. It's running fine. Say I want to edit something in it though. To edit chases, we need to use something called unfold. So the desk looks at a chase as a little file, and kind of each sheet of paper within it is a step of the chase. So in order to be able to bring those files out, we need to unfold it. So if we look down the blue buttons, there's an option for unfold. Hit that, and then the desk is telling us to choose a swap to unfold. So we'll pick this chase I made here. What this does, it takes away all the other playbacks on the roller page temporarily and lays out each step of the chase on a separate fader. So if we push up fader 1, we can see the contents of the first step of the chase. Fader 2, the second one, and so on. Now, to edit a step, we use the same method as we would for editing a queue, so we use include. So if we hit include and press the first step, it loads that back into the program for us. So now we can make the changes necessary and resave it. So if I select some lights and then I want to change the gobo in them, I make the change and then I go to record here on the unfold menu, hit record and then choose my swap and it's recorded it into that. So if I now press clear, I can see when I refire the step, it's got the new gobo in. Now if I want to put a step in the middle of some other steps, I can use insert. So I'll set up the look for this new step, locate them, and then simply build it from scratch. So, like that. So I want that to be step 4 now. I use insert here, and then the swap I hit will be moved along one and it'll insert one in between there. So if I hit this swap, you can see they've moved along. So now I have 5 steps in my chase. So if I hit clear, I can then see my steps I've put in there. And then the queue that was step 3 has been moved along one. I can also delete my steps from here. So I choose delete and then hit the swap of the step I want to delete. So if you want to see your chase running again, you can't press exit, you need to press unfold again. So as soon as you press unfold and the LED goes off, it restores all our playbacks and we can then fire the chase and see it running. Now this is running the chase at a default time. You can see here, the default is 1 second and on full fade. If I want to edit the times any more than that, I can use edit time swap in the same way as I did with the queue. So if I hit edit times and press the chase swap, these are the global times for each step of the chase. So I've got my wait in, wait out, and fade times and LTP times for every step of the chase. The link down the bottom here determines whether you have to press go between each step, so like a mini queue stack, or whether they'll just run continuously. We can also use the links in the unfold menu, so we could break the link in the middle of the chase and have it run up till that point, and then you just press go to trigger it, and then it'll run back to that point again. So to do that, we go to unfold again, choose the chase, it lays out our steps. I've also got edit times in the unfold menu, so I can use edit times here, hit this queue, and it gives me the menu specific to that one queue. So if I turn the link off here and press enter to save it, now when I unfold and I replay my chase, it runs up until the end of Q2, and I now need to press go to trigger it. Because I've taken the link off, it's broken the chase. If I wanted to put it back, I'd have to then go into unfold, edit time for that swap again, and put the link back on. So unfold, choose the chase, edit times for the same step, and put the link back to on, and then press enter to save it. So now, when I fire it, it's going to run continuously. Thank you very much.